Hi my gorgeous ones at one with nature. I'm just having a look at this gorgeous, magnificent tree here. Very old one. Standing tall and proud. And entwining as it goes up at the top. It's absolutely amazing. You can tell by the thickness of the trunk how old it is. Been here a long time. Beautiful. Magnificent. I see conkers growing on this one, the conker tree. A little wonder. Just here, the water down here. So clean and fresh is that water. Just try and get down without falling for you. Look how clean that is. Just listen to that water. I just want you to imagine that that water is cleansing the whole of your body. You can just feel the water all over you, dissolving those old beliefs and illusions, all that negative energy, anxieties and stress. Just feel the water dissolving them all and cleansing the whole of your body. Bringing in that new, enlightened you, full of energy. Full of new knowledge and wisdoms and truth and strength. Just imagine that you are lying in this water and it's cleansing you. Empowering you. You just feel this new energy about you. You feel healed. You feel happy and contented. This beautiful crystal clear water has just cleansed the whole of your body and just dissolved everything that's unwanted and not needed. It's brought in new you. Walk tall, walk proud, my dear ones. And remember, believe in yourselves. Believing who you truly are and not what you've been told. Listen to yourself. Because all the answers you need are within you. Send that beautiful love to yourself. Feel the love embracing you, the the warmth, the comfort, the joy, the happiness. Just embrace it and hold on to it. Because you are amazing. As we walk, just take in just one big deep breath of this gorgeous healing energy from Mother Earth that she's so blessed us with. So just take in a big deep breath and out. Just how amazing do you feel? And how amazing are you? And just keep those beautiful positive thoughts going out to the universe right now. Just think of all the beautiful, wonderful things you're going to do, places you're going to go. Just keep focusing on all those great things. And remember that strength is within you now. Always has been and always is. My gorgeous, beautiful ones. I'm sending you lots of love and healing and hugs. Take care for now. Bye.